celebrating all your victories.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, I'm Subrena. If you are not new to this but you are true to this, welcome back to another video. So today we are here with a literal 5-minute hairstyle. Yeah, I'm loving this. Doesn't this look like a twist out or a braid out? Like actually protective in every way, even with your leave out, because you don't have to use any heat whatsoever to blend your natural hair to this texture. This ate down in so many different ways. All right, so let's go ahead and jump into the install. So before we get into the install, I definitely want to say a super huge thank you to QVR Hair for sponsoring today's video, and that's Queen Virgin Remy Hair. So that is the package that your hair will come in, and I want to get into the specs of this wig. So again, this is the QVR curly hair half wig, and here you can see the hairline. It's like an invisible hairline, so it's going to make a very seamless blend. The construction of the cap is so nice. It has 3 combs in the front and it has a comb in the back, and it also has like a jelly texture around the rim to secure your wig. It also comes with a headband as well, so you can use that for extra protection, as well as a drawstring. This wig was crafted so well, it's not going anywhere. So to install the hair, as you can see, my hairline, I did leave it out and I did do a flat twist to blend in with the wig. And then I also made like a perimeter braid to secure the wig down. And the back, I just did 4 large braids, braided together and flipped it so it can be flat. So let's go ahead and get into the install. I did remove the band because I didn't need that much security. Trust me, this wig is going to stay once we install it. So once I flip that on, that's when I will locate the 3 combs that are in the front, and I will just slide those in to the anchor braid that I made behind my hairline. And this, you want to make sure it's snug but also comfortable, and it's not in a way that's going to pull on your hair or anything like that. You can install your unit like this with securing the combs like within an anchor braid. You can also put a wig cap over your braids and then install it under the wig cap. You can also do a, what's it called? Like a wig grip band and not even use the combs at all. I've done it all the different ways. The hair stays. So right here, I'm showing you that you can actually wear this wig in like a middle part, kind of flip over, or like a side part. You can do it anyways. Right here I am untwisting the twist that I made. Now I will say I definitely probably needed to use some curl rods towards the end of my hair to curl it so it wasn't as straight, but right here you get the idea of what doing a twist out will do for your hair to blend with this wig. And it blended so good. And I was like, yeah, next time we're definitely doing a little perm rods on the end so it can be like an immaculate blend. But right here, you can see it blended so well. So after I took out my twist right here, I'm just going to go ahead and clean up the style. I'm going to do my edges, you know, flip it over however I desire to wear my hair. And I think I end up doing like a side part flip over look. But this hair, hands down, is like the easiest go-to wig ever for naturally curly hair or just kinky curly hair. You twist your hair once a week, and throughout the week your hair will naturally just react with the wig. It looks so good. You cannot tell that this isn't my hair. People will literally dig in your scalp to validate that, oh yeah, it's a wig. And that's happened to me with this wig. Literally, I'm not even exaggerating. It's kind of baffled when it happened, but this just looks so good. And right here, I'm just showing you the blend. No matter which way you flip this wig, it's going to look so good, so natural. Like, look at that blend. I was like, I needed it. This is exactly what I need when I say I want a effortless wig that looks natural with minimal effort. With your leave out, you can put your leave-in conditioner, twist it up, still feed your hair goodness, and then the rest of your hair is protected. You're not using heat on your hair. This is the perfect wig, hands down. And this is also the wig straight out of the box. I didn't wash it. I didn't style it anyway. I didn't put any leave-in conditioner. I didn't put any water. This is the texture right out the box. So imagine if you did all of that, what these would be hitting for. Yeah. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the QVR hair wig. Again, this is so natural. It looks like natural hair. I don't have to use heat on my leave out. I could just twist my hair up every night, put some leave-in conditioner, treat it well, let it air dry, take it out, and my hair is going to blend so effortlessly with this wig. It's truly a low manipulation and protective style all in one, even with the leave out. I love the blend. It's just so friggin' natural. It's so easy. 8 down, 8 down. QVR, you did that with this one. So of course, make sure you check out the description box. It will have all the coupon codes and links to everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. Definitely thumbs up if you like the look, you like the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye, loves.